A beam of light shines the technological future of the fourth industrial revolution. A group of people set sail on the transformation wave of intelligent manufacturing. This is the engine power from RITMAN laser. We are excited to unsheath our swords for the future. Relying on strong scientific research and technical strength, RITMAN laser has been striving for exploration for many years. We specialize in the research, development, production, and sales of high-power laser cutting equipment, as well as upstream and downstream equipment. We are committed to becoming a global leader in the area of laser processing technology application solutions. We always keep an eye on cutting-edge technology in the laser industry. We have a close technical cooperation relationship with the doctoral team of Dalian University of Technology, and the master team of Southeast University. A research and development team composed of over 100 technical engineers has been deeply involved in the production line for a long time, striving to improve the process level. The R&D Center has obtained a total of 64 invention patents, 10 authorizations, 59 utility models, and 28 works. Continuous milestones leap to help RITMAN laser leapfrog development. We have created integrated laser intelligent manufacturing and flexible machining systems through the collection and coexistence of advanced technologies at home and abroad. The full process is standardized and controlled, and all products are meticulously manufactured. Each product undergoes 1,000 production, manufacturing, and assembly processes. Decades of extraordinary tests in harsh environments and 48 hours of non-stop quality inspection. The exquisite craftsmanship of every precision component and the power release of each mechanical component provide strong support for society to achieve high power and high energy technological support. At present, our main markets are machinery, transportation, aviation, weapon equipment, sheet metal processing, and so on. During the continuously developing market, RITMAN Laser takes the Suzhou headquarters as the marketing and production operations center, establishes a development pattern of one body and two wings of the manufacturing base in Wuhan and Suxian, and lays out the national market in 3 steps. We have designed and built 10 marketing offices and 100 service outlets based in the Weihai Economic Zone. Our marketing network spreads globally. Our market share in laser equipment continues to increase with R&D and service advantages. We can provide users with products such as the Ju Ying series, the Red Rabbit series, the Fetian series, and the Delu series. Products cover single platform laser cutting machine, switching table laser cutting machine, pipe cutter, laser welding intelligent equipment, multi-dimensional laser processing intelligent equipment, special software for laser processing, and comprehensive laser technology solutions and services. This is a revolution in the industry and a turning point of the times. RITMAN Laser will anchor the laser market with its never-ending innovative spirit, help corporate customers accelerate the process of digital transformation, promote industrial upgrading, and help Chinese manufacturing.